Happy Monday morning. So it's just about 9 o'clock. Been taking my time this morning, getting stuff done. Had breakfast, took Harvey for a walk. Now I'm just relaxing out back here like I do the mornings that I can. Just relax out here. Don't need to water the plants because we had plenty of rain yesterday. Pool's looking good, just need to add some bleach in. So I didn't pick up the camera at all this weekend, but we had a really good weekend. Saturday, hubby and I did a lot of errands together, and that was fun. Then yesterday we went out to lunch to TGIF Fridays, and then spontaneously we decided to go to Six Flags over Texas. We were there maybe 2.5 hours and we got rained out. Man, it just started to pour just like that. And so we had to take cover in one of the gift shops for about 15 minutes, and then the rain kind of died down. It was kind of sprinkling on our way to the car, but it wasn't too bad. So I'm going to muscle up the energy to go inside and get on the treadmill and do my 30-minute workout. All right, I just finished the treadmill workout. I did 20 minutes. I'm going to jump in the shower and get ready to do what I need to do around the house here and some errands. All ready for the day. Took a shower, put my makeup on, got all ready. I've been working on my grocery list and places that I need to go today. It's 11:30. I'm already exhausted. I might have some leftover pizza from last night. Want a bite? You want a bite? Come on. You want a bite? You want a bite of my pizza? You want a bite of my pizza? Alright, let me get you a bite. Sit. Sit. Ready? Yummy. Well, I just got home. It's raining outside. Pouring down, raining. So I literally got out of Kroger 8 minutes ago. And 4 minutes ago, it started raining on my way home. Pouring down, raining. So I finished my errands just in time to get home. I don't know how long the rain's gonna last. I mean, when I get in, I'm gonna check the weather app. But yeah, pouring down, raining. It's actually coming into the garage. I can't even get to my groceries. to get my groceries this way. Our umbrella somehow ended up in the pool. That is crazy. There must have been some wind. At the grocery store, I got another can of olives, 3 vanilla Yoplait yogurts, Steve's cereal. For dinner tonight, I'm going to barbecue chicken if the rain stops. Russet potato, sweet potato, another chocolate bar, green bell pepper, 8 limes, and a blue workout shirt from the thrift store, $4.49. That's what I got today. It stopped raining. It's still really cloudy out. It's humid out. It's wet out. So the sun's supposed to come out later on this evening. I'm gonna go out and get the grill started, marinate the chicken, and start getting dinner ready.